At Octasic, we find solutions to problems that are very complex and where others have failed. We're a semiconductor company, and we have developed chips over the years to service the media gateway market as well as the wireless markets. Our solutions are used by law enforcement agencies all over the world to detect and locate cellular phones during very complex investigations. It helps them to solve terrorism. It's used also in search and rescue missions. The use of geolocation devices by law enforcement can cause some concern at times. But at Octasic, we put in place a very strict code of ethics to ensure that our technologies gets in the hands of only the people that will make good use of it. Our products are used to make a real difference in the society, and they save lives.
I started my career in the military, and later on I joined the RCMP. There were a lot of terrorism in Canada. 2 Air India planes blew up in the air in 1985. I realized how important it was to apply electronic surveillance. That was the only method we could use to fight those kind of crime. Also, I went to Silicon Valley in 1991, 1993. That gave me the boost to become an entrepreneur, and I started a string of enterprise, which fortunately worked well for me. In my second enterprise, we're building a telephony card that went into computer, and those cards were very expensive. And since I had worked in California, I knew that you could build a chip to do all that and reduce the cost by 10 and have an incredible competitive advantage over the other people. And at the time, I asked 2 young men, my son and Tom Awad, who's still with the company, to build that chip. They built the chip, it worked the first time around. It was a great success, not only for us, but for the customer. We did it, and those people asked for more. And essentially we said, well, okay, let's form a company, Octasic, to design and build those chips. And that's how Octasic was founded in 1998.
Our employees are at the core of the company, and they come from a very diverse background. We are 250 employees, largely composed of engineers. Our headquarters are here in Montreal. We also have a development center in Bangalore and another center in Cyprus. Despite the fact that we are operating on 3 different sites in 3 different continents, and they're separated by several time zones, we find ways to work together towards a common goal.
I'm in Octasic for the last 6 years. I was relocated to Cyprus for an year to work with the team over there, and then I often travel to Montreal, got a chance to interact with them, to know their opinion and to know their interest and their way of approaching a problem and solving it. Definitely that was kind of motivating and interesting for me. The work life and the personal life is balanced properly here. It's not a single person who is trying to contribute, it's the complete team. It's almost like we are linked together as a family, so that's how it makes us to stick together here.
I've been retired for 2 years now, and I see how the company is evolving, improving, and I realize how important the employees are for the success of the company moving forward. I'm very confident in that success.
It's a very interesting time for Octasic. We have a lot of very innovative products and solutions right now. Customers all over the world, an engineering team that is working at the next generation of technology and products. And I think if we keep innovating, we keep being audacious, and we focus on what we want to achieve, sky's the limit.